Today I need your voice. I need you to sing, to growl, scream, shout, pig squeal, whatever you prefer. I got a song, an instrumental song, and I'm looking for a singer. And this singer could be you. Welcome to the official MetalCon vocal contest presented by
Austrian Audio.
But before I talk about the rules of this contest, before I talk about the mind-blowing prizes that you can win from Austrian Audio and MetalCon, and before I talk about the MetalCon event itself, which probably will be the most exciting metal weekend of your life, let's have a listen to the song that I want you to sing. This is a song I did quite some time ago when I got my Harpas baritone guitar, 28-inch. So this means it's a very evil sounding song, very low tuned. It kind of sounds like an out-of-control locomotive with some interesting rhythms. Have a listen. Let's talk about the event first. MetalCon is for metal producers and metal musicians. It's 2 days packed with workshops, masterclasses, and panels. We've got several stages and 20 different rooms where there's stuff happening everywhere. No matter if you are in the home studio, if you are a self-recording guitarist or drummer, or if you are a pro. We have invited some of the best European metal producers and musicians. For example, you can join Jacob Hansen. He's bringing the new Arch Enemy single that he just mixed, and he will walk you through the multitracks, show you how he mixed the song, how he got the guitar tones and everything else. Or Jens Bogren will be there to do the same thing with the latest Creator album. Then we've got someone like Christoph from Annie's OK, and he's going to talk about how to manage, how to organize a band in 2026. Then we've got an event with Mendel, ex-aborted guitarist. He's going to talk about getting great guitar tones in the box with plugins. Then there's a full reamping studio that I will run where you can come and reamp DI tracks through a whole bunch of different guitar amps, guitar cabs, and microphones. And there's so much more. There's a link below. Have a look at the timetable. It's pretty mind-blowing. There's also a concert on MetalCon Friday where we have a great band playing. There's beer, there's great food, and not to forget, we've got 20 rooms packed with gear. Guitar gear and recording gear. So microphones, guitars, guitar amps, software. And there's companies, I don't know, like SSL showing their stuff, or Steinberg, or Driftwood Guitars, or Harpas. You remember the guitar? They're showing their guitars there. Now let's get back to the contest. Let's explain the rules of the contest. So now you gotta focus. Concentrate for a moment, because this is not easy. What you want to do is you want to download the song, link below, download the song now. Then you sing the song and upload a video of you singing the song. Doesn't have to be live, can be playback. A video of you singing the song on Instagram, okay? And you got to tag both Austrian Audio and MetalCon. You should also follow Austrian Audio and MetalCon, okay? Follow them and tag them. And you got to use the hashtag MetalCon 2026. Was this too much for you? Let me repeat. You upload your video on Instagram, you follow Austrian Audio and MetalCon, links below, and you tag them, use the hashtag MetalCon 2026. And that's it, okay? Upload your mix until March the 30th, okay? That's the deadline. So that is Sunday in a week. So you have 2 weekends to come up with a great version. And it's not so much about the, let's say, the quality of the vocal recording. It's really a lot more about you getting creative and coming up with some cool vocal hook lines, okay? And after that, we will choose the 10 best submissions. Best submissions. It's highly subjective, of course. And we will invite those 10 people to MetalCon. You will get free tickets for both days, worth $150 or something. Free tickets, and you can even bring a friend, okay? You can bring your partner or a friend. Please, if you want to bring a friend, tag them on Insta as well, okay? In your post. Bring a friend, come to MetalCon. You can even perform your version of that song on a stage at MetalCon, and we will have a jury, probably of some awesome producers and some people from Metal Hammer and someone from Austrian Audio, and they will choose the winners, and the winners will get some badass prizes, microphones from Austrian Audio, headphones, and much more. And among all these submissions, additionally, we will give away one pair of Austrian Audio studio headphones. These ones, okay? So even if you don't make it to the final, you can still win some headphones. So you better join. I will personally listen to every submission and we will choose the 10 best ones. And then we can meet and have a beer at MetalCon. How cool is that? So I'm really, really excited and curious to hear what you guys can come up with, because this song is a little special. You can also re-record your vocals in the Austrian Audio booth at MetalCon, by the way, if you want to. They have a booth with all their awesome microphones, like the one I'm talking into right now. Okay, that is all for today. I see you not only in hell, motherfuckers, as usual, but hopefully in Berlin next month at MetalCon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.